Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off any iPhone without touching the screen. Now this works even if you have an older iPhone like 6 that has a home button or a newer one. So if you have an older iPhone, you need to hold the home button and the lock button, and that will give you the screen you want. Now if you have the newer one, you need to hold the volume up button and you need to hold down the power button at the same time, because you will get this screen. Now from here you can call your emergency contacts, view your medical ID, or slide to power off. And if you have turned it off, to turn it back on, all you have to do is hold the power button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.